What up, world? This is your boy DJ Kuma. I'm a hip hop top 40 DJ based out of Atlanta, and I'm here today to talk to you about DJ basics and some things to get started. You know what I'm saying? So check me out right now. Alright, so number one on my list is a laptop. You start out with anything, CDs, you can DJ with tapes, vinyl, you name it. You can start out to play music, you can DJ with it. But just as far as starting out in a professional, you know what I'm saying, like shooting for the stars, laptop. You can DJ off the laptop if you don't have a controller. You can get a program like Virtual DJ or Serato. It'll have two decks on there, A and B, left, right, or your left, right, or whatever. But starting out with a laptop, you can basically do what you could with the controller from a very simple standpoint. Like you can play music, fade it in without having any drops of the music. Like the music will continuously flow. You know what I'm saying? And which is what you want as a DJ. So from a basic standpoint, a laptop, and then you can build from there. Alright, so number two, an external drive. You can keep all your music on your laptop, but an external drive is better because one, if you know anything about computers, it's not slowing your computer down having all that music and videos or whatever you DJ with on your laptop. So if you get an external drive, it doesn't have to work as hard, and you can also switch laptops or put it in different spots, and then you can also back your files up. So, which is the name of the game. You definitely want to have all your files backed up on at least two hard drives. So whether it's USB jump drives, which don't cost as much, you know what I'm saying, have some music on there, so you just never, just all the way with your butt hanging out if you lose one. You know what I'm saying? You got to back up. And with that cloud service, you know what I'm saying, it's a new service where you can upload files on the internet, and it's, even if you have a jump drive somewhere, it might get lost or somebody could break it. But if you got it on the cloud, you know what I'm saying, it's a real good chance it's still gonna be there when you need it. Okay, number three, you want crates and folders. Now, it's a lot of different ways that you can organize your crates, or you know, we'll get into another video about that, but you want some type of organization for your crates. And by crates, I mean folders where like you have music labeled in a certain genre, like hip hop, pop, by year, like decades, like the 80s, 70s, 90s. You know what I'm saying? You want some type of organization. And basically for that, it's like I said, you set the mood at a party. So if you got folders, it's easier for you to get songs along the line of what you're trying to do. So it just makes your whole life way easier as a DJ. And it just makes you a better DJ as well, because you're pulling more songs and you're right on the money with the songs you're playing. All right, so number four on my list is a controller. Vinyl, beat pad, CDJs, you know, like I said, you don't need them to DJ, but if you got some type of controller, like you add more flair, more style, do more tricks, and basically as a DJ you want to stand out and look like a professional. So it just adds more, you just got more tools to add more sauce, more flavor. It may help you stand out. So a controller is a must-have as a professional DJ, whether it's vinyl or something. You don't need it to get started, but it puts you ahead of the game. You know what I'm saying? So definitely want to get those. All right, number five, promo material. Business cards, stickers. Everybody on social media now, you want to make a separate page for your DJ. So make sure you on your business game, because we don't just have fun as DJs. We're very good businessmen. So you want to make sure you up on your promo material. All right, number six, you want to schedule your music business. So as a DJ, we do a lot of things. We break records, you know, do events and all that good stuff that you already know. But behind the scenes, we do a lot too. So as far as the parties and stuff, you want to make sure you're constantly downloading music and you know, getting those new songs, and like they call it, digging in the crates. You want to go back and get some of them gems you might have forgot about or never heard before, and bring them back and make the crowd go crazy because you did your research and you know, like, man, I can't believe you played that. So you just want to do your due diligence. You want to do your due diligence and make sure you're prepared when you're at a party or whatever. Then on the other side, which we'll get into in another video, is some of the business we do behind the scenes. You know, breaking artists, helping artists develop. You know what I'm saying? You want to set aside some time to listen to new music, check out new artists, help promote new artists. So just scheduling time to do all these things just helps you, you know, as a DJ on a day-to-day basis, like weekly. And then just like with the download music, you're more prepared for the party. You don't have to scramble and download music. You know what I'm saying? You're already ready. Alright, so for the next one, number 7, the last one on this list, we ain't gonna make this video too long, is practice. As a DJ, you always want to practice. You know what I'm saying? You want to constantly get better at your craft. And, you know, there's a lot of DJs out there, and you want to set yourself aside. You want to have the best scratches, some of the best blends. You want to have a good ear for it, and all that comes from practice. So you want to set aside some time every day or every week where you can practice and just hone your skills as a DJ. You know, like beginning is a lot to learn. You're gonna always be going up. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be going up on the scale, learning how to blend and all that. And eventually, like, you'll just come to a standstill, and you're not really getting better. Like, you're doing parties and getting in the game training, you know, but you always want to hone your skills and practice just to get to that next level, you know what I'm saying? And you just bring more to the party. So it's just a basic guide to DJing, and we're gonna stop it right there. And I want y'all to get at me on IG, Instagram. I'm gonna put it like down here or up there. I want y'all to get at me on IG. Comment, like, subscribe down below. Keep the convo going. Each one teach one, and you know, we're just gonna keep the convo going, share the knowledge. I'm just trying to do like a lot of DJs did before me, and just help some cats in the game trying to get into it. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. I'm DJ Kuma, you know what I'm saying? You need beats, DJ for your events, hit me up. I got you.